In the previous video, we learned to schedule class activities in Google Calendar. Now in this video, we will look at how to reuse posts and assignment in Google Classroom. These features of Google Classroom was very helpful if you have assignment or posts that you want to reuse for your other classes. Now let's begin. In the Classwork tab, click Create, then click Reuse Post. Then all of your created classes will be displayed. Click the class having the post you want to reuse. Then locate your post or assignment. This time, I will reuse these competency-based learning materials as an example. If you want to copy or create new copies of all attachments, don't forget to check the box in Create New Copies of All Attachments. Then click the Reuse button. Then the post will be open, and don't forget to review and edit before posting. This time I will edit the description and remove the attachment, and I will replace by adding other attachment. Upload the attachment. After uploading, select topic. After all is set, click Post. Now we have new material posted in the another topic. Now we will try to reuse another post or assignment. This time, we will try to reuse the quiz assignment. Edit the assignment like title, instructions. Click the quiz form to edit the quiz. As you can see, you don't need to set the quiz settings again. After editing the quiz, close and back to assignment. You can change the points, due date, and topic. Then, click Assign button, confirm the assignment, and that's it. In the next video, we will look at how to use to-do features in checking multiple submission.